What's Draghi thinking, given comments from the likes of Mnuchin and Trump's America First rhetoric of the last 24, 48 hours?
Well, I think the weaker dollar will be something that will be on his mind and on the mind of other central bankers as well, Mark. But realistically, I think there is an expectation, there's a consensus growing in the market that Mario Draghi will engage in a pushback against the strength of the euro-dollar exchange rate. We heard it from his vice president, Vitor Constancio, last week. So the expectation is that Draghi will actually push back on the euro strength. Now, I think the danger for Mario Draghi is that with those expectations being so high, it's going to be very difficult for him to actually push back enough to arrest the euro's move higher. And even if there is a pullback in the euro, we're probably not going to get to levels where it actually undoes the rally that we've seen. And the other thing, too, is that, in any currency pair, a lot of this is out of Mario Draghi's hands. But to the extent that I think he may be concerned about the pace of the rise in the euro, we might get some pushback. Let's see if it's effective.
Does he use the September strategy, Richard? Back then he warned that volatility was a source of uncertainty that requires monitoring. We know what happened then. The euro drifted lower for a couple of months. Does he use the same sort of words?
You wouldn't be surprised if that is what he does. And I think it's the pace of euro increases, that type of volatility that worries Mario Draghi and other members of the governing council. Now, whether or not it's successful or not, as I say, it's yet to be determined. But you could see that being the type of pushback that Mario Draghi engages in tomorrow, as he's done it before.